Is your Spectrum TV app constantly interrupting your viewing with a screensaver? You're not alone. This happens because of device settings designed to save power, namely sleep mode, CEC, and auto-off settings. These settings tell your TV or streaming device to go to sleep or turn off after a period of inactivity. The Spectrum app, while playing content, might be misinterpreted as inactive, triggering these power-saving features. We'll show you how to adjust these settings so you can binge watch without interruption. As of September 2025, this remains a prevalent issue, particularly on older smart TVs and budget devices, requiring manual adjustments for optimal viewing. First, disable sleep mode on your TV or streaming device. This power-saving feature causes the screen to dim or turn off after periods of inactivity. Access your device's settings menu and look for options under System, Power, or Eco mode. Turn off sleep mode to prevent interruptions during Spectrum playback. Next, consider CEC, which stands for Consumer Electronics Control. This HDMI protocol lets one remote control multiple devices, but it can send erroneous standby commands. If you have a soundbar or other connected devices, disable CEC in your TV's HDMI settings or adjust it to exclude standby commands that interrupt playback. Finally, check for auto-off settings, which automatically shut down the TV after a period of inactivity. This is similar to sleep mode, but causes a complete power off. Access your device's power settings and disable auto-off to prevent Spectrum interruptions. Remember, steps vary by device model, so consult your manual. After making these adjustments, test the Spectrum app by playing content for at least 30 minutes without input. You may also find an always-on feature in the Spectrum app's settings on some platforms, which helps maintain continuous playback.